Hey, I just bought some water sensors by Govee. This comes with one gateway. You plug this into your wall and an outlet, and this connects to the internet, and then you connect your 4 sensors to that gateway. Here's a close-up of one of the sensors. This has probes on the top and bottom of the unit. It also comes with batteries pre-installed, but if you have to switch them out, you just access that from the back. And now we're going to test the sensor. I'm going to put my finger over both probes on the top, basically shorting it out. And if you want to test the bottom probes, you basically just do the same thing, just short them out. In addition to beeping, this will also send a notification to your phone if you're not home. I'm going to put these sensors around some problem areas in my house. I'm going to put one in my basement by my hot water heater. I'm going to put another one by a toilet that I've had some leaking issues with. And then I'm going to put another one by my washing machine and the utility sink. And here's a little look into what the application looks like on your phone. I have my 4 sensors detected. You can click into the sensor, kind of see the history of it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this product. It was pretty easy to set up. The testing was pretty successful, and hopefully it keeps my home safe and will alert me when there's any issues with water.